SB1 funding provided over $600 million to transit agencies statewide this year. Every Bay Area transit agency received SB1 money. Here are some examples. AC Transit, $8.1 million for operating expenses and maintenance. Another $14 million towards 45 zero-emission buses. The San Francisco Municipal Transportation Agency received more than $60 million in SB1 money for new rail cars and a new bus maintenance facility, plus another $27 million from MUNI's capacity expansion program to reduce wait time for trains.
So when we were putting together the budget for this year, we're able to put those SB1 dollars directly into rail service expansion. So in the trains that were coming every 8 minutes come every 6 minutes now, because we have a lot more people, just like BART and Caltrain, and we're really happy to see the SB money going to their capacity as well. Fight over the next 15 years, about $10 billion worth of need, but less than $4 billion worth of funds to meet that need. So SB1 has been a great boon towards helping close that gap.
Caltrain received $3.2 million. Another $164 million SB1 dollars for Caltrain electrification, new electric trains, Wi-Fi service on those trains, and improved bicycle facilities. VTA in the South Bay received $11 million in SB1 money, plus nearly $400 million in long-term SB1 funding for the BART Silicon Valley Extension Phase 2. BART, nearly $26 million for improving elevators and escalators and to increase train maintenance.
Yeah, you have a 200 approaching Coliseum.
Another $318 million, more than half of which are SB1 dollars, for increasing the frequency and number of trains on the system. SB1 funding arrived at a critical time in BART's history.
When I took office in 2010, we were receiving on the magnitude of about $24–25 million a year in state transit assistance funds. We watched those monies steadily erode. By 2017, it was threatening to dip below $10 million a year. That's a serious budget cut for an agency like BART. Senate Bill 1 restored the state transit assistance funding, and so this past year we received $26 million. It's essentially back to the levels that we were at the beginning of the decade.
Prop 6 would repeal that transportation funding. Bay Area transit agencies would lose that money. There are no announced plans to replace that $600 million in statewide transit funding.